Всех приветствую! Сегодня посмотрим, как кыргызская пуля Валентина Шевченко вырубает своих соперниц. А вы пока что ставьте лайк и подписывайтесь на канал, чтобы не пропускать новые видео. Поехали!
And therein lies the Joe Murphy say to Lauren. Oh, skater right hand there. Kick. Murphy on the ropes. That's just get some separation here.
The check right here. Lauren's doing a good job of collecting her right wrist. It's saving her. She does not happy. She does not like those.
Oh, big elbows. That'll do it. Greatest flyweight champion in UFC history. She's straight to a trip.
Interesting. Crucifix position. And then Valentina made the adjustment. Now it's a terrible position. This easily could be the end of the fight here, and it may very well be.
Oh, that's it. And still the best in the world by a mile. Valentina Shevchenko.
Dominant performance. And this leaves us in a crazy position because, like, what fight do you want to see? Champion, one to the body there, and then slides out of the range as a counter. Boom, one to the thigh. And look at this wheel kick. Right over the top of the shoulder. Now listen to it in real time. I mean, that is inches of... I mean, that sounds like someone is slapping the bag with a baseball bat.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh, head kick.
Shevchenko with a huge highlight tonight.
That is a terrible head kick. I mean, that was a perfectly placed head kick.
It was the body kicks, man.
Yep.
She had taken those body kicks, so watch her hands. When she loaded up, she's thinking body and
shin to the dome.
And John, I was grabbing my paper to try to find her name. But I mean, this is exactly what happened to Priscilla, and Valentina is going to beat her up.
Yeah, it looks like she opened her up with one of those elbows.
Big Dan is looking very closely
as it should be.
That's it.
And still, the UFC flyweight champion. Is there anyone who has anything for her at 125?
Yeah, because this fight was just a one-sided beatdown from the start. This woman is fantastic. I mean, she really is something truly special.
Joe, Andrade wasn't going anywhere. I mean, and you know how difficult it is to get to a crucifix position.